Okay guys, in this section we are going to install Git to our computer. So first of all, open up your Google Chrome and type here Git. Okay, go to this Git SCM.com and just download it for Windows. There is a two version, that is 32-bit and 64-bit, so I am going to download for my Windows 64-bit and I will click start. Okay guys, so open up your Git, click next, so next, and we need the Git bash, so it's the Git bash also integrated on Windows Explorer, so click next, next, and should use him, so click next, next, and next, and next, click over next again and again. Okay, so our Git is successfully installed to our computer, so yeah, click over finish and I will see you in the next video.